Hello again, everybody. 12:52, 15 seconds, May 9th. This is the drawing for the two Strange Tales 135 and the Nick Fury 1. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the higher grade Strange Tales 135 and the Nick Fury 1. Whoever comes in second place will get the lower grade Strange Tales 135. Over here are the 28 filled spots. I'm going to roll our 3 dice. The number is a big number, 16. Best of luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here comes the final one. 16. Spot 22. Chris Blancato gets the nicer 2 copies. Chris Lamastra gets the lower grade Strange Tales 135. Time is 12:53, 17.